Welcome, family. It's the Velvet Locks. And if you've seen me in the same hat, same clothes, yes, it's the same day. I'm busting these videos out, all right? In this video, I got this wonderful way for you to be able to grow your hair. Yes, I do. I have an easy recipe that you can make in your kitchen to grow your hair. And this is using avocados. You already know the wonderful benefits of avocados. And if not, I'm going to list them somewhere along the side of the video, explaining to you why this hair growth oil is really going to do your hair some good. But it's so easy to make, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. All right? So let's get in the kitchen. Let's go right now. I'm going to show you how to make your own avocado oil, and it's so simple and easy. And of course, you're going to need some ripe avocados. Okay, these are not 100% ripe, but they're still soft enough for us to use. And today I'm only going to use 5 in this recipe. Okay, so you're going to need at least 5 avocados. Now, I used to love eating these things all the time. I don't know why I'm not attracted to them no more. Don't ask me why. But anyways, we're also going to be using our 100% coconut oil. Okay. I got this from my Pakistani store that I love so much. Okay, and you're gonna need at least 2 cups of that. Okay, and this, you can use a blender, a food processor, but if not, you don't need it. Now, most of you already know how to open and cut an avocado. Some of you may not, but I'm gonna show you. Okay, you slice it in half, and then you twist it, and there's your avocado. Now, to get the seed out, well, it usually works when it's ripe, okay? And that's it. You discard the seed, and what we're gonna do is scoop out the avocado fruit. Now, like I said, this one right here is not 100% ripe, but it's still soft enough for us to use. It's probably best that you get avocados that are very ripe, that is ready, but not turning bad, okay? Now, if this was 100% ripe, it would be much easier to get out. So that's what I'm saying. It's best you get avocados that are ripe, okay? Now I'm gonna stick that in my blender cup, because we're going to blend that down. And you're going to do this to all of your avocados. You're going to scoop out the center. Okay. All the way down to the green stuff. So you're going to get all of that out of there. Okay. I'll be back once I finish with the rest of the avocados. Okay, you guys, so we're back. Now, if you have a full blender, that's more preferable than these daggone NutriBullets. I got everything in there, and I don't know how this is going to blend. I'm going to try it anyways and see how it comes out, because this is so full. But like I said, if you guys have a full blender, that's definitely recommended. Okay. All right, so let's blend it up now, just to soften it up. All right, y'all, I'm going to show y'all how it is when you're sometimes recording and it doesn't happen the way you would like it to. Well, this is one of those, okay? Well, let me just tell you, if you're not using a blender, just chop up your avocados. All right, chop them up and get them as fine as possible. Okay, you guys, so what we're going to do now is we're going to add in our coconut oil. We're going to put our flame on medium, and we're going to put our coconut oil in there. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add in our avocados to the oil. So if you still got a few that is not quite mashed, this is probably the time to do it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna cook this down until all of the water starts to evaporate out of it, leaving just the oil from the avocado. Okay? So we're going to be checking on this from time to time. But what you're going to do is you're going to try to stir it from time to time so that the avocado does not stick to the bottom of your pan and burn. And don't worry about those other chunks of avocado in there. It will definitely get mushy. Okay? Now this process can take anywhere from 2 hours. So be prepared to be around your stove for a minute. Alright? But we're going to just stir it for a little while, and then we're going to leave it alone and let it do the rest. Alright? Checking on it from time to time, stirring on it, you know, try to keep the bottom from sticking. That's why we have it on a medium-low flame. And I'll show you how it's going to look when the oil is starting to rise to the top. I'll show you exactly what that looks like. So stay tuned. Alright you guys, so we are back, and this is exactly what it's supposed to look like. This is what your avocado is going to look like after it is finished cooking down, okay? It's going to look like ground beef. It's cooled down, it's ready for us to strain. So find a container. Now this is my coconut oil container that I use. Now I'm going to use my stocking cap, okay, a little stocking leggy, and I'm going to put it inside my container and just put it overwards. So when I pour my concoction in there, it'll strain inside there, okay? See? I'm going to use my Pyrex measuring cup, and I think it'll be easier to pour from there this way, just so that I don't make a serious mess. I'm just going to pour everything, dump it inside my cup, because pouring it from a pan to a cup is very messy. When your mixture is cool, it makes it so much easier for you to be able to strain and press out the oil from the stocking cap or whatever cheesecloth that you're using. Okay, so as you can see, it's definitely straining. you just keep squeezing, squeezing, squeezing until you get all of the extraction, the oils from your cloth. You guys, so there it is, your avocado oil, freshly made avocado oil, great for your skin and your hair. And this can last you for about a good 5 to 6 months, so you don't have to worry about it spoiling, getting rancid or anything. And it's all homemade. All right, so thank you so much for joining me on this video. If you want to know how to make other types of essential oils, just list them down below, and I'll have a video out for you right away, okay? And until the next one, I will see you then. Bye. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.